Welcome! Today we're breaking down personal finance, what it is, why it matters, and how you can master it. Personal finance is simply how you manage your money, earning, saving, spending, and planning for your goals. It's important because money decisions shape your everyday life, whether you're saving for something big or just keeping track of spending. In this guide, you'll see how to build a budget, grow your savings, and set financial goals, step by step. No complicated math, no confusing jargon, just clear visuals and practical tips you can use right away. Ready to get started? Let's unlock the basics of personal finance together. Let's break down personal finance. Personal finance means managing your money, how you earn, spend, save, and protect it. It's important because money affects almost every part of your life, your home, your goals, and your future. The main areas of personal finance are easy to remember. Think of them as 5 building blocks. First, budgeting, making a plan for your money so you know where it goes. Second, saving, setting money aside for emergencies and future needs. Third, investing, growing your money over time by putting it to work. Fourth, credit, borrowing money and building a good credit history. Fifth, insurance, protecting yourself from unexpected losses. Mastering these basics helps you make smart choices and build a strong financial future. Let's break down the 5 pillars of personal finance. Each one is a key part of your financial foundation. First, budgeting. Think of a pie chart that shows where your money goes: rent, food, savings, and more. Budgeting helps you plan, not restrict, your spending. Second, saving. Picture a digital piggy bank filling up. Saving means setting aside money for emergencies or future goals, like a safety cushion. Third, investing. Imagine a graph line moving upward. Investing is about growing your money over time, like buying stocks or bonds to beat inflation. Fourth, credit. Think of a credit score meter. Good credit means better rates and more opportunities. Pay bills on time and use credit wisely. Fifth, insurance. Picture a shield icon protecting coins and documents. Insurance guards your finances from unexpected events, like health issues or accidents. Master these 5 pillars, and you'll have a strong, balanced financial foundation. Start with one and build from there. Progress is what counts. Picture the 5 pillars of personal finance: budgeting, saving, investing, credit, and insurance as parts of a single, interconnected system. Each pillar supports and strengthens the others, like gears turning together. Your budget sets the plan, showing where your money goes. Saving builds your safety net, fueled by what your budget frees up. Investing grows your savings, turning today's surplus into tomorrow's wealth. Credit connects to your budget and savings, helping you access opportunities and manage cash flow. Insurance protects everything you've built, shielding your finances from unexpected events. When these pillars work together, your financial system is strong and resilient. Focus on keeping your pillars connected, so your money works for you, not against you. That's how you move from just getting by to truly thriving. Let's zoom out and see the big picture, your financial pillars, working together as one. Let's zoom out and recap the essentials of personal finance with a big picture view. Imagine a checklist with 5 key icons: budget, savings, investing, credit, and protection. These are your pillars. Budgeting is your plan. Track what comes in and what goes out. Savings is your safety net for the unexpected. Investing helps your money grow over time. Good credit unlocks better opportunities. Protection shields you from setbacks. When these pillars work together, you build a strong financial foundation. Each supports the others like gears in a well-oiled machine. Remember, progress matters more than perfection. Start with one step. Track your spending, set a savings goal, or review your credit. Taking control of your finances means building confidence and opening doors to your goals. You've got the tools. Now put them to work and start your journey to financial success. Ready to take action? Here are your next steps to build financial confidence. Step 1. Create a simple budget. List your income and your main expenses, rent, food, bills, using a digital tool or a notebook. Step 2. Track your spending for 1 week. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet to see where your money goes. Step 3. Set a small savings goal. Even $10 a week adds up. Watch your progress with a savings bar that grows over time. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Check off each action as you go, and celebrate your progress. Use money as a tool to build the life you want. Your journey starts with these simple steps. Thanks for watching. For more tips, subscribe and keep moving forward on your financial journey. Until next time, keep building your financial skills, one step at a time.